subscribe to the Sandeep tutorial channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
My name is Sandeep. I welcome you very much. Sandeep tutorial has brought amazing video in this episode. Let's start. In this video I will show you how to make shine button hover effect using HTML and CSS. Let's start. Here write anchor tag. Inside this hash copy one time. Inside this write Sandeep another one tutorial. After this save it and make CSS hash floor bracket of margin 0 padding 0 font family sans serif. Save it body of display flex justify content center align items center minimum height 100 vh flex direction column background hash ff0000. After this save it, make a of position related padding 50 pixel space 100 pixel margin 50 pixel font size 50 pixel background hash 0004 ff color hash 00 fff text decoration none letter spacing 5 pixel border 3 pixel solid hash 000 transition 0.7 second. Yes, overflow hidden. After this a is to hover of background hash f04000 copy one time and paste one time. Here make some changes. Int child 2 color hash 008000. After this a is to before floor bracket of content position absolute top 0 left minus 100% width 100% height 100% background linear gradient of 90 degree comma transparent comma hash fff comma transparent. After this transition 0.7 second. Yes, after this a is to hover is to before of left 100%. After this is the making shine button hover effect using HTML and CSS. I will make this in rows. Now I am click here column to rows and save it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and don't forget to like, comment and share.